In the serene mountains of ancient Japan, nestled among the tall pine trees and flowing rivers, two Zen masters, Master Hiroshi and Master Takeshi, embarked on a profound conversation about the truth of silence and mindfulness. They were renowned for their wisdom and deep understanding of the Zen teachings, and their disciples sought their guidance in their spiritual journeys. On a calm morning, as the sun gently peeked through the branches, Master Hiroshi and Master Takeshi found themselves sitting across each other in a tranquil garden, surrounded by blooming cherry blossoms. A gentle breeze rustled the leaves, creating a soothing melody that filled the air. Master Hiroshi, known for his introspective nature, began the conversation. Master Takeshi, in our practice, we often emphasize the importance of silence. It is said that silence holds great wisdom and leads us closer to enlightenment. But what is the essence of silence, and how does it relate to mindfulness? Master Takeshi, his eyes filled with serene understanding, replied, Master Hiroshi, silence is both an absence and a presence. It is the stillness that lies within us, beyond the noise of our thoughts and the distractions of the world. When we cultivate silence, we create space for the truth to arise, for wisdom to blossom. Master Hiroshi nodded in deep contemplation. And what of mindfulness, Master Takeshi? How does it intertwine with silence? Master Takeshi smiled gently and replied, mindfulness is the key that unlocks the door to silence. When we practice mindfulness, we bring our full attention to the present moment, embracing it with a sense of openness and non-judgment. It is through mindfulness that we can observe the ceaseless chatter of our minds and cultivate the ability to let go. As we become aware of our thoughts and emotions, we can choose not to identify with them, allowing the silence to emerge. Master Hiroshi, his eyes reflecting the wisdom he had gained over the years, contemplated his companion's words. So, silence is not merely the absence of sound, but a state of inner stillness. And mindfulness is the path that leads us there. But how do we integrate these practices into our daily lives, Master Takeshi? Master Takeshi's smile widened, radiating tranquility. Master Hiroshi, it is through the simple acts of daily living that we can truly embody silence and mindfulness. As we engage in our activities, whether it be sweeping the floor or sipping tea, we can bring our full presence to the task at hand. In doing so, we transform the mundane into the sacred. The sound of the broom sweeping the floor becomes a symphony, and the taste of tea becomes an elixir of life. Master Hiroshi's eyes lit up with understanding. So every moment is an opportunity to deepen our practice, to embrace the truth of silence and mindfulness. It is not limited to sitting in meditation alone. Master Takeshi nodded, a twinkle of joy in his eyes. Indeed, Master Hiroshi, when we fully immerse ourselves in the present moment with deep awareness, we touch the essence of our being. In the dance of silence and mindfulness, we discover the interconnectedness of all things, the unity that underlies the apparent diversity. We come to realize the apparent diversity. We come to realize that silence is not separate from the world, but rather woven into its very fabric. As the sun climbed higher in the sky, casting a warm glow upon the garden, Master Hiroshi and Master Takeshi continued their conversation, sharing their insights and deepening their understanding of the truth of silence and mindfulness. Their words echoed through the mountains, carrying the wisdom of the ages and inspiring all who sought the path of enlightenment. And so, in the tranquil embrace of nature, their conversation unfolded, a testament to the power of silence and mindfulness, guiding those who yearned for truth and liberation on their spiritual journey.